Hello guys. So today in this video we will discuss some of the terms related to the ecology. Terminologies are there. It is a very short video. So for your understanding, first you just see how the level of organization is there. Okay, you see we are starting from a cell. Some cell constitute to become a tissue. Tissues constitute to become an organ. Organ constitute to become an organ system. Different organ system will unite together to form an organism. Then organism will unite to form a population. Populations together will be called as the community. Community becomes ecosystem, and whole together that will become a biome. So this is your hierarchy. Yes or no? So what are the terms related to our study is your habitat, then population, community, and specific to insect community. So what is habitat? All of you know. It is the place where the organism lives. The habitat, the physical environment around us. Yes or no? Of a particular organism. So that is your habitat. Then come to population. Group of individuals of any kind of organism. You take any organism, their group, but they must be of same species. Group of organisms of the same species in a particular area at a specific time is known as your population. That is population. Then come to community. Okay, what is community? It includes all the population. You see, population is now becoming the community. Includes all the population of a given area. Here, group of species of organisms found at a given place at a particular point of time. Here also area and time specific. Here also area and time specific. Group of species of organism, that means group of population found at given place at particular point of time. You see here, group of given species of organism, that means this will become your population. Yes or no? Found at, if that will be group, means that will be becoming your community. So what is insect community? Insects of different species found in a particular space at a particular point of time. This will be specific to insect. So how can you define? So what is population? Suppose insect are there, are the organisms. In insect one species, suppose your Apis cerana indica, that is the Indian bee. Okay, so the number of Indian bees we will make a population. Then bees, grasshopper, all those things will make a community. That will be becoming your insect community. Like insect community, animal community, human community, they will make a ecosystem. Then biome will be formed. Understood or not? So this is your terms. Okay. So now we already have discussed this scene ecology. Okay, it deals with the population ecology, community ecology, biome ecology, and ecosystem ecology, but not particular organism, because particular organism will be means it will be your ecology. Okay. So what is population ecology? Study of interdependence between organisms of a single species is known as your population ecology. Population ecology was given by Andrew Wartha. It may come a short question. Who has given population ecology? So he is Andrew Wartha. So what is the definition? Study of interdependence between organism, between the organisms. Understood? That of a single species. That also important. That is your population ecology, because community means what? Between different species. Same thing. You see, study of interdependence between individuals belonging to different species. If within the species means population ecology. If among different species means community ecology. So what is biome ecology? Study of interaction between the communities. Now it will come to community level. Different communities will be there, and their interaction will be called as your biome ecology. Then what is ecosystem ecology? Study of interaction between biotic and abiotic. You should not tell that study of interaction between the biome, because always what is happening, biome is at the highest hierarchic level. So what is ecosystem ecology? Study of interaction between the biotic and abiotic component is known as your ecosystem ecology. I hope you understood. If any kind of doubt is there, then kindly ask in the comment box. Thank you for watching.